going to be about ShipNerd's fulfillment and partial fulfillment back to a marketplace. In this example, we're going to show you Shopify. So I'm going to switch to our Shopify test store here, and you can see we've got order number 1016. In this order, 3 coats and 2 t-shirts were purchased. Now, if you go to ShipNerd's My Shipments page, you'll see order number 1016, and clicking the eye icon will expand, and you'll see 3 coats, 2 t-shirts. Now what we can do is create the shipping label for this order, and you can do it one of 2 ways. You can actually just click the play icon if you want to get rates, or edit the order if you want to see the full order details, such as the package weight, dimensions, commercial invoice information if applicable. For the purposes of this example, we're just going to click on Get Rates, select the rate, check out. We're not going to choose an access point at this point. We're just going to deliver directly to the end user. Here's your order confirmation. Here's your label. And now what you can do is you can choose to either fulfill or partial fulfill. Fulfill means that you're going to ship every single item in the order. And when you click this, what we'll do is we'll transmit the tracking number and the courier name back to Shopify and change the order status to shipped. Partial fulfill means that we only have part of the order in stock. So for this example, let's go ahead and click on that. And here what we can do is we can choose, well, we're going to choose to ship 3 coats, but only 1 t-shirt, because let's just say you only have 1 t-shirt in stock. And you click fulfill. Items were fulfilled successfully. That's good. You can go back to My Shipments. Now what we can see is we can see that we've got a half green truck, which means the order is partially fulfilled. And if we click on this, we'll see that in this particular order, 3 out of 3 coats were fulfilled, but only 1 out of 2 t-shirts were fulfilled. If we go back to Shopify, and we're just going to go ahead and refresh the page, you'll see the status of the order is partially fulfilled, and there's still 1 t-shirt left to fulfill. And 3 coats were shipped, and 1 t-shirt were shipped. So now what we can do is, let's just say you have your item back in stock and you want to go ahead and continue fulfilling this order. You can very easily click on the continue fulfilling order. And this will take you through the process. You can adjust your weights, your dimensions, your package details. Go ahead and choose label, create a label. No access point. And here, partial fulfill, 1. That's all that's left for this order. And now, when you go to My Shipments, you'll see the order is fully green. The truck is fully green, which means the order is completely fulfilled. Now, what's interesting is you'll see there's a little arrow icon here. And clicking on this will show you that there's 2 orders for this particular order. To ship this order. So you'll see the first shipment fulfilled in this shipment, you shipped 1 out of 2 t-shirts. In the second order for this particular order, you shipped 3 coats and 1 t-shirt. And you could see how these orders are connected by this orange line. Now, hypothetically, just to show you how to use a filter, let's just say your customer calls you and says, what are my tracking numbers? You can easily search for order number. You can type in order number 1016, hit the plus icon, hit search. Here it is. And you'll be able to pull up the 2 orders for your customer, and you'll be able to see the tracking numbers for each order, tracking number 1. And for this particular order, tracking number 2. And that's how you use ShipNerd's fulfill and partial fulfill feature.